What is up with you guys? Jaden again and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, this is like a follow-up content about me buying an iPad 10th generation. Yes, this is like the second part kasi dun sa first part, I did an unboxing. So basically nakita nyo na magkano yung bili ko, saan ko siya binili. So yes, this is the iPad 10th generation and this is in color silver. Ito yon. Ang ganda niya actually guys in person. At hindi talaga ako nagsisi bakit 10th generation yung binili ko. You know, I was thinking or deciding between the 9th generation, the iPad Air, even yung iPad mini tsaka iPad Pro. So in this video, kung interesado kayo malaman bakit ako nag-decide no na iPad 10th generation ang aking binili. And also, dun sa unboxing, 'di ba guys, shinare ko na I was able to, meron kasing tinatawag na Apple Education discount, something like that, no? And naka-avail ako noon, in all fairness, parang kulang-kulang 3,000 din yung na-discount ko because of the Apple Education. Yes, ako po yung nagpi-PhD ngayon sa UP Diliman. So kung interesado kayo paano ma-avail yun, magkano yung discount and all that. So in this video, I will share that. If you're interested to this kind of content, you guys know what to do. Please keep on watching.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're here for quite some time now, welcome back. In my YouTube channel, I'm doing reviews, reactions, and also vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will appreciate if you will click that subscribe button there. So, na-miss ko to guys. Sobrang na-busy tayo the couple of months. Pero, yun nga, na-realize ko, sige, gawa na tayo ulit ng content. So, basically, I will be sharing my thoughts about this iPad. Meron din akong content about GoTime. Yes, I opened a digital bank, no? Kasi meron mga ilang nag-request sa inyo. Maraming nakapanood sa inyo nung nag-open ako ng Maya ko, ng GCash ko, and even yung mga other banks ko pa. And even credit card. So if you're interested naman sa GoTime, yes, sana abangan nyo yun. At kung tungkol naman kay Primo, interesado kayo sa sasakyan, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala, babalik ako very soon sa Toyota Taytay kasi magpapa-PMS ako. So yes, I'll make a vlog also about that. So sige, sagutin na natin ang tanong bakit iPad 10th generation ang aking binili. Actually, this is a no-brainer, especially to those of you na nag-research din muna, no, bago talaga kayo bumili, no, kung anong iPad ba yung best na bilhin talaga, makikita nyo most of the tech content creators talagang sinasuggest tong iPad 10th generation. Maganda siya guys. Like kahawig siya ni iPad Air, 'di ba? Kasi yung iPad Air, parang ang futuristic siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya yung typical iPad, yung 8th generation, 9th generation, no, and yung pababa kasi meron pang yung Touch ID yun. Ito wala na yung Touch ID niya, nandito na. Pero the very reason why I decided to buy the iPad 10th generation kasi hindi talaga to ganun kamahal. Ito yung nasa kalagitnaan. Like, di ba, the iPad Air kasi it costs 40,000 and of course, yung Pro sobrang mahal na talaga niya for me. Yung 9th generation, it's a bit, yun talaga medyo, mura talaga yung 9th generation. It's just that for me, medyo outdated na siya para sa akin lang. Eh ako, I have my MacBook na. So, I really need an iPad kasi feeling ko sobrang ROI or sobrang gamit na gamit ko na yung MacBook ko and 2 years ko na siyang ginagamit. Hindi naman niya ako na-fail. Kaya lang, parang tingin ko kailangan ko na rin ng yung makakatulong kahit papano ng MacBook ko in terms of yung sa mga ilang bagay kagaya pag sa school and all that. So that's basically the very reason why I decided to buy an iPad 10th Gen. Hindi to ganun kamahal guys. This is only 31,990. Medyo na-confuse nga ako at first kasi nagulat ako. Nag-research kasi ako sa apple.com, 29,990 yung nandun. Tapos, dun sa mismong Apple Store, SM North, kasi sa SM North ako pumunta, nasa 31,990. So, apparently, yung tinitingnan ko pala all this time na website, parang nakabase yun sa Singapore. At si Singapore, among all Apple stores, si Singapore talaga yung cheapest. Pero, ang totoong presyo nito, the 64GB nasa 31,990. So, syempre, magkakatalo yan pagdating sa memory, di ba? If you prefer the higher memory, syempre, it's a bit more expensive as compared dun sa, syempre, lower na memory. Pero ako, I opted to go for a 64GB kasi I have my MacBook, which is 256 naman yon. I also have my iPhone, which is 256GB din. So, hindi ko kailangan na malaking memory talaga for my iPad kasi, syempre, yung mga mga files ko naman and all that, nasa MacBook ko pa rin, no? So, I chose the color silver kasi ito na yung pinaka-neutral talaga. Bagay din siya dun sa MacBook ko kasi yung MacBook ko, space gray siya, pero medyo magkakulay sila nito, no? Yung pagkaka-silver ni iPad 10th generation. So, yung Apple Education price, guys, actually, surprisingly, medyo malaki rin yung na-discount ko. Nasa 3K din, di ba, from 31, no, na presyo niya, 27,990 na lang siya. So, that's more or less 3,000. And for me, syempre, it's still a discount, no, gagrab natin yon. So, if you are wondering paano ba mag-avail ng Apple Education price or yung pinaka-discount, no, na makakuha mo if you are a student, hindi nyo kailangan maging college student, ha. Like in my case, ako PhD student ako. Ang alam ko, kapag teacher ka, yon, qualified ka rin to have the discount, no, dun sa Apple. Ako, grinab ko talaga siya kasi I have my UP ID naman. And I also have, of course, yung UP Form 5, di ba? Usually sa college, ganyan yon if you're a college student. Yun lang yung ipapakita nyo basically. Tapos babawas na yon or yung pinaka-discount ibabawas na yon. So, i-grab nyo yun, guys. Sayang, especially if you are like someone like me, nag-graduate school, nagti-take up ka ng masters or ng PhD. Grab nyo yun, sayang eh. Or if you are a teacher, grab nyo rin, sayang din. 3,000, di ba? Malaking bagay din siya. Kumbaga, it's still a discount. So, ano yung mga features ni iPad 10th generation na nagustuhan ko and why I opted nga to buy this? Actually, yung isa talaga, ang ganda ng speaker nito. Like, for me nga, ka-level niya halos talaga yung MacBook or at some point, parang mas nagagandahan pa ako sa speaker nito. Even dun sa iPhone ko. Ewan ko lang, parang ibang level lang talaga to. And of course, kasi di ba halos pare-parehas naman yung features ng mga iPad. Ang nagustuhan ko lang kasi talaga sa kanya, futuristic talaga yung design niya. Ibig sabihin, alam mo yung parang, ito na kasi makabago talaga na iPad. Kumbaga, ito na yung stilo talaga. In the next 5 years or baka 10 years, no, feeling ko in pa rin talaga yung pinaka-design niya. So, yun din yung dahilan kung bakit ako nag-decide na 10th gen talaga yung bilhin ko. So, nagagamit ko na siya and kung tatanungin nyo ako, worth it ba? Definitely, no, worth it to. Lalo kung kagaya ko kayo na marami naman kayong paggagamitan, di ba? Kasi ako, bukod sa nag-aaral ako ng PhD, I also have my coffee shop business and mahilig rin ako talaga na manood. So, yung mga ganong bagay, magagamit ko rin talaga. Ma-ROI ko tong iPad na to. And also, I have my pro business. I'm also a licensed financial advisor. At yung iPad yung pinakakailangan namin para dun sa meron kaming database or yung system namin. So, magagamit ko rin siya for that. Basically, medyo marami talaga siyang paggagamitan. Kaya sabi ko, sige, bili na rin talaga ako. So, there guys, that's all for this video. If you have some questions about, you know, buying your own iPad, don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll try to answer them. And again, guys, help me reach 20,000 subscribers. Please click that subscribe button there. And I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye-bye.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.